Hey everyone! Stressed out over exams? I get it. Exams can be super overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon to boost your brain power and reduce stress? Yep, it's all about what you eat. Here are some brain superfoods you need to add to your diet right now. First up, blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help improve memory and brain function. Plus, they're delicious. Just toss them in your morning cereal or snack on them throughout the day. Next, we have walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are full of omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for brain health. Studies have shown that walnuts can improve cognitive function and even help with mood regulation. Perfect for those exam jitters. Moving on to one of my favorites, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants, all of which enhance your focus and memory. Just make sure it's at least 70% cocoa to get the full benefits. Don't forget about leafy greens like spinach and kale. These veggies are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, folate, and beta-carotene, which are fantastic for brain health. They're also great for keeping your energy levels up. Now, let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that build brain cells and improve learning and memory. Aim to include these in your meals at least twice a week. Another superfood to consider is pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, all of which are crucial for brain health. They also help with stress reduction, making them a perfect exam snack. And lastly, don't underestimate the power of green tea. It's a great alternative to coffee, and is loaded with L-theanine, an amino acid that helps you relax without making you drowsy. It's the perfect beverage to keep you calm and focused. So there you have it, 7 brain superfoods to help you power through your exams. Remember, eating right is just one part of the equation. Make sure you're also getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and taking breaks to relax. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might need a little brain boost. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching and good luck with your exams. Catch you in the next video.